Does this sound familiar? If you or someone you know struggles with snoring, you're not alone.
Let's talk about the solution we offer here at SL Aesthetic Clinic, our anti-snoring laser treatment. This is a non-invasive, long-term solution that could solve the problem for you. Research shows that up to 90% of patients who undergo anti-snoring laser treatment experience significant improvement in their snoring. So, how does it work? The treatment uses laser energy to gently heat the tissues in the throat, stimulating collagen production and tightening the oropharyngeal mucosa. This helps to expand the airway, reducing the vibrations that cause snoring. At SL Aesthetic Clinic, we add in a long-pulsed Anti-YAG laser on top of the conventional Erbium YAG laser for enhanced results. Each treatment session takes about 15 to 30 minutes. During this time, different sections at the back of your mouth are treated with the Erbium laser, and to further tighten the oral mucosa tissue with an additional Anti-YAG laser. There's no need for anesthesia, needles or injections, and most patients feel just a warm sensation during the procedure. After the treatment, there's no downtime or special care needed. You can go right back to your daily routine.